Good evening, my beauties. I have another unboxing for you. Guess what time it is? It is time for a big box. Confetti Collection. It's so big, it doesn't fit in the screen. And it's heavy. Woo. Nice heft to this. Oh, I can't wait to see what's in this one. This is my second Confetti Collection box. The first one was pretty good. I can't complain. Let's see if this one's even better. In this one, since I got it in April, this is the April-May 2021. So let's get started, shall we? Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's get started. First, we gotta open. Ooh, this is big. Look at that. Oh my. Hello, are you there? Big box full of stuff. It's Christmas time again. And this is what it looks like. And we got more. More of these little paper confettis. Last time they were all over the place, but that's okay. I'm going to start saving them. You never know when you need paper or confetti. Am I right? Okay, so let's get into the bubble wrap. Wow. Ooh. And once again, we have a pretty pink. Boy, they sure wrap these nice. Okay. Opening my Christmas present. The only one I get it every year. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Wow. It feels a little hefty, so there may be some pretty good stuff. All right. Wow. This is packaged very nicely. First we have the card. It says, hold it. How long do I hold it? Keep your spaces clear of clutter with an assortment of holders and keepers. Then declutter your brain with a variety of coloring journals. My brain is full of all the books that I have to write. I don't know if I'm going to have time for coloring journals, but we shall see. There you go. Awesome. And that's it. No, I'm just kidding. All right. First product. I see all kinds of things in here, and my eye doesn't know what to go to first. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Look at this. Look at that. Ooh. I gotta make sure that the cats don't get into all this confetti. Then it'll really be all over the house. Nice. Okay. Let's unwrap her. Woo. There's something ceramic there. I probably just broke it. Okay, and we will take that ceramic thing out. It says, wish. I love these. These are great. The other one that I got was a little trinket dish, and I have all of my SD cards are in there. This one will hold even more, but not SD cards. I have all kinds of little trinkets. All sorts of things, and this will be very, very good for putting all that stuff inside. Now on the inside, it says, "May all your wishes come true." I hope so. I need that so desperately right now. And inside, there's some little daisies. Oh yeah, look. See, they're little like note cards. And these are great because I'm constantly writing notes. Scribble, 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 scribble. The journals that I got in the last Confetti collection are very much in use. So, again, as a creative type, as a writer, as a blogger, you know, doing all kinds of things, I've always got ideas and I always need to write things down. So, daisy notepads. Awesome. And those can either stay in here. Look at this. Isn't this nice? Look at that, huh? I like that. Next. What is this little thing? Cord keepers. Oh, I bet I know what that is. Ooh, if this is what I think it is, it's very useful. Because I have cords everywhere. I have all kinds of stuff in here. Lots and lots of things that take cords. Is it? Is it? Cord keepers. Just like that. Yeah. Oh, wow. That's different. Okay, that is different. You can run your cords in there. And what have we got in here? Oh, wait. More cord keepers. Ooh, different types. I think I'm going to be able to do this with all my cords. Yeah, because I have a phone charger cord that's just laying there. I have my Kindle charger cord that's just laying there. I have a lot of cords because I've got a lot of electronics. These are nice. Look at sparkly cord keepers. Very nice. What else have we got in here? Oh. Well, this is interesting. Paper goods. X and O. Oh, there we go. Those look like little name tags without the names on them. And you can write things on. Let me see if they are what they look like. Index sticky notes. Index sticky notes. That's what those are. You can index things. What shall I index? Actually, when I write my books, because I'm old and old-fashioned, I usually write the first draft in notebooks. And these would be good because I'm always putting in, you know, trying to keep them organized by chapters and notes and character profiles and all that fun stuff that goes with being a writer. So that's good. More sticky notes in a pretty tin box. Look at that. Good place to put them until they get used, and then they get pulled out and they end up all over the place. But that's the way it goes. So that's nice. I prefer the box, the tin box. These will get used up so fast. And then the tin box will be very useful. Okay, oh, a fishtail or a mermaid's tail. Unique. Wow. It is a phone charging stand. Cellmate phone charging stand. And it's a mermaid, and can't see it right now, but on the other side of my room, on the tower of my desktop computer, is a beautiful mermaid statue. Something you don't know about me, but when I was a little kid, when anybody would ask me, what do you want to be when you grow up? A mermaid. I thought it was such a thing. I thought you could be a mermaid when you grew up. Maybe because I'm a Pisces. I still to this day love anything to do with mermaids. And one of these days I'm going to write a book about them. I see pineapple. I see pineapple. Oh. Pineapple, 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 pineapple. Sorry. If you don't like my sense of humor. Oh, see, it's a little pineapple. Oh, it's all sticky. But it's like a little purse. Little coin purse. See, you unzip it. Wow. Hey. Hello. I'm Mr. Pineapple. That is cute. That is really cute. Next. We're collecting quite a bit of bags here. Definitely next. What have we got here? Isn't this fun? I need some fun. I have had some very mega stressful times the past couple of weeks. It hasn't been easy. So, I need some fun. And this is always fun. This is always fun, isn't it? So, let's see what we got in here. Ooh. This is another type of purse or bag. X and O. Jewelry pouch. I don't wear jewelry. Gift item. Or giveaway item. I am going to be having a lot of giveaways. Oh, and if you hear a whooshing noise in the background, I have my fan on. I apologize for that. I should have turned that off before I turned my microphone on. All right, let's see. What else is in here? What else have we got? What is this? Oh, okay. There's your coloring book. Color me. A coloring journal. Oh, see, that's kind of cool. Because I can write in it and color on it all at the same time. Journals are awesome. I love journals. I can log stuff in here, and it's ocean themed, which I love the ocean. Of course I love the ocean. I'm a Pisces. Fish. And it's got dolphins and all sorts. Oh, seahorses. Do you know I used to breed seahorses right here in my own house? I did. The males carry the babies until they're born. It's very interesting and very interesting to watch. And they are the most lovely little creatures. Nice. There's one more big item in here. Ooh. Okay. This is oh my goodness. Wow. This makes everything worth everything. I mean, I think this is seriously an amazing subscription box for writers and people who journal, you know, anything like that, because everything can be used. It's almost everything in there is totally useful for someone like me who's always writing, always coming up with ideas, always trying to organize. So this, check this out. Look at that. It's a Leatherette Portfolio. Now, is this a writer object or what? You know, with the paper, and this is going with me. I am going to carry this everywhere I go, because I can definitely see this being useful in so many ways. Wow. That's awesome. Yeah. And any notepad can fit right in there. Oh, wow. Okay. That is my confetti collection, and I have to say, I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. And that doesn't happen very often. But this was wonderful. I hope you enjoyed it. And all the links, everything will be down there. Subscribe to my channel. Get more beauty tips, beauty unboxings, fun collectibles, trinkets, household goods. And together we will build an empire. Oh, have a good night, my beauties. And just stay as beautiful as you are.